Good morning, Armani. Good morning. Huh? Good morning. You're such a happy dog. You say good morning. Good morning to the camera. Good morning. You wanna give mommy kisses? Yay! Yay! You're such a happy dog. What is that, Matley? Mr. Matley, can mommy borrow this? Yes? Huh? No? No? Can I borrow this? Okay. 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 Where are you going? What? Matley, Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming, Matley. Play with Daddy. Play with Daddy. Mommy has to get ready.
Baby, I'm leaving in 3 minutes.
What?
Hey, boy.
Oh, good, Daddy.
Hey, boy.
Hey, Daddy. Play with Matley.
Come on.
Yay. Give me some treats, Daddy.
Eat your food, baby.
Yeah. Ew, licking his balls.
You got a haircut?
You got a haircut last night? You didn't know? You didn't know?
Yes.
Good boy. Such a good boy. Yeah, you're such a good boy.
Motley, what's my favorite toy?
What's Daddy's favorite toy? Which one, Daddy? Which one? He's gonna eat more. Good boy. Good boy.
Look at the stuff.
Oh.
I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss Molly. I'm gonna miss you. Come here. Come on, wait. Come here, wait. Motley's cages are coming today. Yay! No. Come here, boy.
He likes that. I made this for him.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss you, Molly.
Oh my God.
Go.
Kiss Daddy, Matley.
Alright, Bree, bring him to the door so I can say goodbye. Babe, let me show you Uncle Bye through here.
Yeah. What do you put in? Okay, just a bed. Yeah.
The stuff comes today. All the stuff comes today.
Okay. Alright, we'll do unboxing then. We're gonna do unboxing, Matley. Daddy's leaving, Matley. Alright, Daddy.
Bring him to the door.
Up here.
No, not right now.
Not right now. Not right now. Look, it's so wet outside.
Bye, boy. Bye, baby. Bye.
Bye. Oh, Daddy just
Bye.
Hey.
Lock the door, baby.
That you.
Yeah, it's really wet.
It's wet. No, Matley, no. No, close the door. Oh my God. Oh. No, not yet. Not now. Not now. Not now. Gusto niya lumabas, guys. Not now, baby. Not now. Later. Later. Wait, it's not wet. Right now it's raining. Come. Come. Yeah, come. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, kiss lang daw siya kay Mami. Ay, kakagatin pala ang medyas ni Mami. Kakagatin pala ang medyas ni Mami na. Ouch! No, Mami. No. Oh, it's Daddy. It's Daddy. Ouch! No, Matley. No! Give it to Mommy. Give it to Mommy. Dalawang medyas na naman. Oh, guys. Dalawang medyas ko. Ayun yung isa. Kunin ko to. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Ay, nako na, baby. Bakit dalawang medyas? Hindi mo na may masuot? Gusto lang niya makipaglaro. Makan Mami hates. Ngayon, susuplayin ko siya. Ayun ang likod. Okay, Mami has to brush her hair. Matley, stay. Stay. Okay. Mahirap talaga. Malikot. Ay! Ay, yung buhok niya. Good boy. You're such a good boy. No. Matley, stay. Stay, Matley. Good boy. You have this one. Ay, galing. Ay, nako. Let Mommy brush your hair. Good boy. Such a good boy. You're Mommy's boy. Matley, no. Stay. Go party. Matley, go party. Every time na may marinig siya na tunog, natatakot siya kahit may marinig siyang paparating na car. Ayun na naman ang ambulance. Palagi talagang may ambulance dito, guys. Sa likuran lang namin ang ospital. Ayan si Mati. Come, what happened? Natatakot siya. Gusto na naman yung pumasok. Do you wanna go in? Gusto niyo pumasok, guys. May narinig siya aeroplano. Go in. Yeah, look. It's open. Yeah. Be careful. Yep. Gusto niya laruin ang harness niya. Give it to Mommy, Matley. This is not toy, Matley. No. Harness niya to eh. Matley, no. No. You eating grass, Matley? You eating grass? Wow. Wow. Oh gosh. Oh. Yes. Come to Mommy. Yeah. Yay. May package dumating, guys. Para kay Matley to. Si Paul, nag-order na naman siya ng mga bagay-bagay para kay Matley. So, let's see what's in here, guys. This is from China. Ito pala yung snacks para kay Matley na peanut butter honey. It's pure peanut butter for dogs. Ayan siya, guys. And then, another treats for Matley. Toy for Matley. Treats for Matley. So, that's it, guys. And then, there's another box here too, na malaki from Amazon. So, kasi nasira yung magnifying mirror niya. Okay. So, yes. Nag-order siya ng bago.
siya, guys. Oh! Wow! It's nice. Yep. Oh, it's nice, guys. Yep. How do I turn this off? Okay. Oh, nababago yung strength ng light. Ayan. Okay, that's off. I think this is the handle. Kasi walang handle. Okay. Came with a wipe. Length-free wipe. Okay, it's nice. And then, there's another box here to guys that hindi ko alam kung anong nandito. We'll find out. Ito pala yung tinext niya sa akin. Sabi niya, i-check mo ang buksan mo ang package. Dumating daw. Tulog ako. Saka ko nalalabas sa pagkalising. Okay, ito yung okay. So, ito yung parang gawin niyang gate sa, sa bed namin para si Matli hindi siya pupunta sa ilalim ng bed. Natatakot kasi kami para kay Matli. Baka mamaya bigla siyang ma-stuck sa ilalim ng bed. Si Matli, nagsasawa na siya sa mga toys niya. Gusto na lang niya pa iba-iba everyday. Na siya. Na-spoiled na siya sa mga toys niya. So, ayan na sila, guys. Yan na ang boxing natin sa package na dumating today. Ang aking alaga umiiyak. Gusto na naman niyang lumabas ulit. Saan ba siya? Bawal kasi siya sa mga kwarto, guys. Hindi namin siya pinapasok. So, ayan, nababagot siya kasi dito lang siya na area na to pwede maglakad. Hinugasan ko lang yung toy niya. Delikado talaga to si Matli, guys. Ilang beses ko lang mag-take mga baka. Ito yung snacks niya. Malalaki. Super big. These are soft biscuits. Yung isa is crunch. So, matigas tong isa. Tapos isa ay soft. Patry natin sa kanya. Then, malaki siya. Ang cute naman. Heart. Then, malaki siya. Cut natin. Let's give it to him. Let's see kung magugustuhan ba niya. Matli! Come. Look at this. Try it. Like it? How do you like it? Parang gusto niya. This one ay matigas. Oatmeal and banana. Ito pala is with chicken and carrots. Ito oatmeal and banana. So, vegetarian tong isa. So, let's try. So, ganito naman to. That's how it looks like. Okay, so it's not too hard. Bigay natin to kay Matli, guys. This is the crunchy one. Matli, try this one. Try it. Ba yan? But, okay. Try this one. But I think gusto naman niya.
This blend of breathtaking scenery and historical significance.
Matli. Yummy?
One of Bulgaria's most captivating destinations.
So, gusto niya yung soft.
And those intrigued.
Hirap siya dyan. Kagigising lang ni Matli. Alas 8 na ng gabi. Let's go to the kitchen, Matli.
Got that for you.
Okay. Thank you. Sweet potato, cassava, and carrot chips. Ang sweet ng asawa ko. Nalala ko siya sa akin. Tapos binilhan din niya ako ng dinner. Tapos ito sa kanya. And then, naubusan na ako ng coffee. So, binilhan din niya ako. Tapos, itong pepperoni. Mahilig siya dito. Tapos, dinner niya, chicken, fajitas. Ayan. Cheese. Siya lang din nakakain nito, mozzarella cheese. Tapos ang dinner ko ay Mali.
Well, he didn't
my
even eat any of his
dinner.
dinner.
No, he just woke up. He didn't even know I served him dinner.
No, I don't want him to have any because he's not really liking it.
Once he finished his dinner.
Yes.
Wow, galing ng asawa ko. Ay, Spanish food. Cassava and fried yuca pala. Fried yuca and fried rice. Tapos, itong ulam ay another line. Ulam ay beef and shrimp. Ayan siya. Looks good.